Understanding compound inequalities. A compound inequality includes two inequalities in one statement. A statement such as x is greater than 4 and less than or equal to 6 means that 4 is less than x, or x is greater than 4, and x is less than or equal to 6. There are two ways to solve compound inequalities: separating them into two separate inequalities, or leaving the compound inequality intact and performing operations on all three parts at the same time. We will illustrate both methods. For example 7, we're going to solve a compound inequality. So the first way is that we have 3, which is less than or equal to 2x plus 2, which is less than or 6. Our goal is to get x, isolate x in the middle of the compound inequality. Now, we want to subtract 2, but we have to subtract 2 to all three sides in a compound inequality. So we got minus 2 here, minus 2 here, and minus 2 here. Well, 3 minus 2 gives you 1, 2 minus 2 leaves you with just 2x, and 6 minus 2 leaves you with 4. And we want to get x by itself, so we want to divide everything by 2. So we're going to divide each term by 2, so we get 1 over 2, which is 1/2, which is less than or equal to 2 over 2, which is just 1x, which is less than 4 over 2, which is 2. So what that means is that x is going to be in between 1/2 and 2, and it's including the 1/2. So you would graph this by saying a bracket at 1/2 going all the way to 2 with a parenthesis. So the interval notation is going to be 1/2 to 2. Now, we can also separate these inequalities. We can say the first inequality is 3, which is less than or equal to 2x plus 2, and let's solve that. We subtract 2 to both sides, we get 1, which is less than or equal to 2x, divide both sides by 2, and therefore 1/2 is less than or equal to x. And on this side, we can say 2x plus 2 is less than 6, so we're going to subtract 2 to both sides, divide by 2, then we would see that x is going to be less than 2. So that forms that compound inequality. Now, I recommend using this in this scenario when you only have a variable on the middle, but we will see another example where this method is going to be more handy.